I'm gonna be doing a headlight install on the F150. Today's video is sponsored by Yita Motor. They sponsored the headlights that I'm gonna be installing. This is my first sponsor, so it's great to have one. I'm gonna leave a discount code in the bottom. I'm not sure how much percent as yet, but I'll let you know. I'm gonna do the unboxing now, and then I'll get back to you guys with the install of the headlight. Alright, so that's what the headlights look like. I'd say it's packaged very well. This is the back of it. It looks like most of it will be plug and play, which is great. Nice. So it comes with the instructions. Hey, you get some gloves. Already wearing gloves though, so that's a nice little touch. I would say it's packaged very well. This is great. Alright, I'm gonna get to the install now. So to begin the install, first you're gonna need to remove the 3 bolts. There's one up here and 2 back here. So one there and one down there. There's a little screw at the top here that you need to take out, and to make it easier to access the 2 other bolts. Alright, after you remove that, then you use a 10mm to take it out. Alright, 10 mils. The light pops up. Alright, I've taken the lights out. You can either unplug, which I will do in this case. And lights is out. Alright, so after you have it out, this is the Yita headlights. So I have an LED bulb already in here, so I'm just gonna replace this one with it. So my LED bulb is gonna go in there instead, but it plugs right in any case. So according to the instructions, these 2 wires are here, supposed to plug into power and ground, so that the little halo-like bar would light up. So I'm probably gonna do that right now. So I'm gonna hook it up over here. So it should be black and green and yellow wire on the driver's side for you to get that working. So I'll do that right now. Alright, so what I'm going to use is some quick connects. I'm going to use those. So these are going to hook up to the wires here, and these ones here are gonna hook up to the back wires back here. So the red and the black wire is gonna get hooked up to these so that you can connect it to the quick connectors. Alright, so here's what I did on the light bulb part. This here is because I have the LED in case I didn't tell you guys. Because I have LED, so that I don't get hyper flash, I have these on. It's just resistors. So this is the ones I connected for the headlights, for that halo beam to work. So I'm gonna have these here, and I added these connectors to the end of the wire, so now I could use these to just plug into these ones here so that I can separate it if I ever need to take off the headlights. Alright, so now I'm just gonna connect everything up and see if it works. Alright, so I'm gonna have to check the connection so that these turn on. Alright, so I'm going to test to see if the halo bar thing is actually working. So I'm going to connect it to the battery and see. So it does actually work, so I'm going to check the connection over at the light bulb and see what's going on. Alright, so as you can see, got it working. So the two wires you need to tap into are the brown on the driver's side, are the brown one and the black one. So switch backs. Alright. There you have it. Another option you could use to wire up the little halo bar thing, another option you could use is your parking lights that I read on this side. You could have used that as well. So now I'm gonna reinstall it and compare it to the old one. So as you can see, old one, very plain, nothing really going on. New one makes it look a lot more modern, which is great. So I'm gonna go ahead and install the one on the passenger side, and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, and there we have it. It's all installed. Looks 10 times better. Alright, as you can see, it's a pretty easy install. I'm gonna take the truck for a little wash, and I might make a little video while I'm doing that. But it was a very easy install. Just needed some quick connects to connect the halo bar thing. Company under the brand Yita Motor. So yeah, this is just the instructions. Yeah, just want to say a special thanks to them for the sponsorship of the headlights. It fits great. Install is very easy. It's plug and play, so you just plug it in and good to go. The only thing you would need obviously is the quick connects if you want to get the little beam thing working. And there will be a discount code linked in the description that you guys could use to get a percentage off. I'm not sure 100% what the percentage will be as yet, but I'll add it in the description. And thanks for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll catch you guys in the next one.